Let me like this chop real quick, man. Yeah, man, so shit, look. We did 3 projects in 4 months. I had to take June off because it was Maddie's birthday, you heard? Shout out to my baby girl, Maddie. But in 5 months, we dropped 4 projects, man. Loyalty and trust. This shit different. Yo, Spesh. Good job, my nigga. Appreciate you, King. Aye!
Y'all know I've been working on something special. I'ma go in 38, you heard? Oh, no. I used to hustle on a holiday, I like that. Go home and put the knot away, be right back. Ain't shit changed, I just be in the stew. Make a little change while I be in the booth. This beat sound like Al Green, Barry and Luther. I'ma carry the Ruger, you gon' talk on the computers. Engaged to the game, she married to the shooters. If you win and keep spinning, don't go at it with the losers. This is life-changing shit. Used to like weighing bricks, now my wife play my shit. Got fans in the Cayennes, even out in Sweden. They believe in what I'm speaking, like Fleazy, what he preaching. Always did me, never need a reason. And my eyes don't lie, I can see it when I greet him. Got me blacking on the 38 Spesh beat. 50 cal, smack a pussy nigga into next week. Yeah, we still riding for our ancestors. Fuck diamonds, plug line, need a gram tester. Black Widow make it, that's a man stretcher. Guns firing, done dying, overhand gestures. Lord. We gonna go right into it. Lord, dirty in the Jordan box, serving niggas water rocks. All the ops, knowing ain't no talking when the order drop. Steady selling hotcakes, we ready for a cop chase. Flee Lord, I meditate in peace where it's not safe. Waiting on the scratch off, I'm knocking all these hats off. Feds ain't even on us, but watch how you trap, Lord. Slip and tie a knot while your bitch crying watch. Cause you ran your fucking jibs on your brick buying plots. My music for connects and shooters in your sex. Don't confuse us with the rest, I do this in the flesh. Loyalty, the light shining. Order me some white diamonds, life rhyming. A contract plus the bag, yeah, I might sign it. Huh? I said a contract plus the bag, yeah, you know I might sign it. Look.
What's up? My name, my name Grafh, ho. When I'm on the job, I'm on it properly. I cut the farmer's crops cause I'm stuck in the barbershop of pharmacology. The stones on my watch are water droppery. Get off my property, the dope in the pot is dark mahogany. Open and lock, it's armed robbery. Your chain is a small lottery. Your whole gangster is soft pottery. I trap while my daughter watching me. I heard her call me. I try to hide this life from my son, but he heard the stories. Murder glory, clip in the shoddy part blew off. The chopper could make it look like your body parts screw off. The wings on the top of the dart flew off. I'm heartless, the top of my heart grew off. I park on the top of my car flew off, but I'm unseen. My burner is unclean, but the dirt's in my bloodstream. You internet thugs, I make your death go viral and make your bloodstream. My trigger finger making a love scene. What up,
I told my nigga Flee Lord, I bought the whole keyboard, the kilogram cooker, the butcher gon' bring you 3 more. I'm walking on clouds, caught a key in my Dior's. Trying to transition to having meetings with Leo. It's Reaganomics, praise the Lord, I'm just paying homage. Sharp shooter like Isaiah Thomas, modern day Adonis. I'm old school, polo shirt with the gray tonics. Mercedes climbing is still cool as a baby bonnet. My repertoire come from Escobar. Beef with me before you jump in your whip. Check your car, get a Nike swoosh on your face. That's an extra scar. Put a shiner right on your eye, bright as the Mecca star. Yeah, see 38 on the beat, I return the favor for him. The 38 on your cheek, listen, I catch bodies that's 38 in a week. The hitting man send you right to the pearly gates when you sleep. Payne. Hey Flea, I told you I got you. BSF gang, Payne, GXFR.
landlord, fuck you making plans for? Versace shades with the shirt with a combo. Money in my convo, coming at a blonde hoe. Thighs thicker than some midtown traffic. Twist now, sit before I dick down classic. Now we smoking out the room. I be playing instrumentals while she poking out her womb. Panties to the side, plus a hammer in my ride. My hand was in her pie, just examining her vibe. That chopper hit different when the real nigga roll it. We gon' deal in the moment, if you real, you gon' hold it. You know I'm state hopping, so be ready when I call. Need an asset to my team when I'm moving out on tour. Fresh off the flight, girl, I'm headed for your walls. Before I make it to the bed, I'ma stretch you in the hall.
Look, when I ain't spitting these bars, I'm with my nigga, he hustle. I keep him here from the nog. She want smoke? He got a full clip that can empty a mall. You go there, you won't return, that's like a trip to DR. I ain't stressing shit. Life's a gamble with a set of tricks. Always knew I had to test the waters just to catch a fish. The way he hustle, that's what make him attractive. Plus he fine, if looks kill, he a fatal attraction. Your hair so good, it make me wanna thank the bitch who taught you that. That's the only time I told her money, I'ma call you back. Only time we argue when we stake out an op. And I get mad cause he won't let me take the first shot. Mama raised me, pops left me, granny prayed for me. But all that praying still couldn't take the pain from me. Only remedy for that pain was to make money. So a broke nigga, that type of nigga just ain't for me.
Technique over a Spesh beat, roll a best street. I can smoke you into next week. Still in the streets, strapped with them things. But my cipher ain't complete unless I'm rap with the gang. You know, life's so short. Got born up in church out them white folks' court. Budget for my lawyers like I'm Baby Chapo. Writing all this heat, puffing great gelato. Shows in Chicago, features in LA. Pulling up on funk, then we driving to the Bay. I be rhyming from my pay, no more reeing up on yay. 2 sips, little sip, then we vibing for the day. Perfect with the pen work, surfing on this big earth. Your rap game was hurting till they purchased all my shit first. Crab cakes and coconuts, we have baked, you smoking dust. Broken up, trying to get some cash and a hoe from us. Lord.
You know what I'm saying? When niggas like Flee, Rick High, everybody we come around, it's the work ethic. We attracted to the work ethic of niggas, you know what I'm saying? All these niggas is hard workers and animals and we feed off each other. So that's what we attracted to, you know what I'm saying? It's like, we know dope niggas, you know what I'm saying? We only gonna be around dope niggas, but when niggas is dope and they work hard, you know what I'm saying? That's the type of shit we fuck with.
Loyalty and trust. Loyalty and trust. It started off with a jokes. They want the product, but they not trying to push. Pay for some sour, but they charge them for the kush. Came on sale, I was smart enough to look. I know it's business, never personal. My hitters done circled you before we even work with you. I keep my eyes to the stars, providing all these bars for when you hop in your car. Feel it in the air when you go vibe at the bar. Flow so raw, numb the side of your jar. Packed out clubs, max out snubs. Dealers love me cause I'm speaking facts about drugs. I done broke day, so I can cash out plugs. Yeah, they fucking hate me, but they ask about us. I'm performing like a vet now, on set. I'm just trying to lock my breath down, no stress. Just blessings on my neck out. Red towel, little prayer cause the bread foul. Sold out shows, merch all gone. Even popping overseas, verse so strong. 38 and Flee, you need a long 38. When I turn a 𝐒𝐥𝐞𝐿 bottle, all 30 weight. Kilo to a ball, yeah, we serving all great. No matter how the shit fall, Lord is perfect on your plate. No matter how the shit fall, Lord is perfect on your plate. Yeah. No matter, it's perfect on your.
Hey, y'all, these niggas change in a court of law. Destroy they dogs, some niggas that join the force to avoid a charge. I'm just trying to get my point across. I was young, appointed boss when I got my first joint of soft. Enough work to employ us all. If he run off, he gambling with his life and that boy is lost. He really can't afford the cost. Come face your death, you gotta place a bet for the coin is tossed. This money got me aging good. An independent nigga, doing everything that the major could. A cracked glass, table wood, I sit and chop a half, then I take over the neighborhood. You got guns, you afraid to pull. I'm shining diamonds, hitting the ring like a raging bull. Robberies got me paid in full. It's hard to recognize a wolf when he wearing clothes made of wool. Trust.
I don't think they know what we about to do, Spesh. Spazzing on the trust beat, trapping with your ex freak. I ain't gotta clap him, I just slap him into next week. Mob across the globe while you borrow fucking clothes. Powder got you froze, putting dollars up your nose. Never on the grind, you just follow up with hoes. When they ask me what he claim, I say I don't even know. Kicked him out the kitchen when we talking on some raw. Need some blunts for these runs, sent them walking to the store. Cakes getting baked, ain't no coffee getting poured. Blowing apes in your face when we auction off your floor. Pussy lack bars like a minimum prison. Flee, I'm corporate when I talk it with the criminal vision. Before I feed him the clip, try to give him some wisdom. Kept reaching for his shit, little bitch didn't listen. Now we praying for his soul while we weighing all these O's. If it happened broad day, no the neighbors even know. It went from pans on the stove to fans at my shows. I'm a hoodie nigga, never spend no bands on no clothes. Pass that chopper, Lord, I'm trying to get high. I'm a hoodie nigga, never spend no bands on no clothes. Yeah, ain't nobody swiping over here, nigga. We getting out the mud. Beloved. I'm a hoodie nigga, never spend no bands on no clothes. Used to Willie on the dyno, now I'm dealing all these vinyls. Running through these shows got me feeling like a rhino. Songs about survival, struggling and bubbling. Sometimes I broke even, we ain't always doubling. Almost at my peak, I speak for the weak. You fouled out, so now you gotta creep through the streets. I walk with my head up, Lord talk, getting bread up, outwork everybody. Now these pussies all fed up. Based in my beats, it's no longer in my pots. I'm all my niggas got, so I'm brawling for my block. With trust on the boards, we gon' scuff all the whores, fucking the war. I'd rather get bucks from a tour. My Jukes gang, they just put an order on your watch, and they coming for it even if you call the fucking cops. Yup, and they coming for it even if you call the fucking cops. It went from pans on the stove to fans at my shows. I'm a hoodie nigga, never spend no bands on no clothes. Pass that chopper, Lord, I'm trying to get high. I'm a hoodie nigga, never spend no bands on no clothes. Yeah, ain't nobody swiping over here, nigga. We getting out the mud. Beloved. I'm a hoodie nigga, never spend no bands on no clothes.
𝐒𝐷𝐿. Flee, what up? Spesh, what up? We really do this shit, man. Feel these bars of pain. Shit real. Passport T. I had a 38 when I was 19. I couldn't wait to pop somebody with it and flee with the 38. Damn, I was lucky, or you could say. Now instead of hell, I'm hoping I see the pearly gates. That's mind power. Took trips for 5 hours, trying to stack bread so I could buy me a prowler. I'm from the hood for real, water with the powder. Powdered milk in your cereal, shit was pitiful, I'm stressed out. Taking 30-minute showers still, so I could give a fuck how you cowards feel.
Smoking sour still up in Tower Hill. Snatch a safe, then we hit it with the power drill. My cousin stabbed my other cousin with a kitchen knife. Ain't it funny how one in jail and one in cutty now? Alcoholic shitting on them with these bloody bows. Period. Fucking raw on this bloody towel. Lights, camera, action. At night, hammers blasting. We run around stupid while the white man relaxing. This pipe not for flashing. This white not for fashion. We litty and I bitty cause we right with a passion, With it, yup, with it. I said we litty and I bitty cause we right with a passion. This white not for fashion, Nah. This pipe not for fashion. Blood come from Bangladesh. Furs on my Spanish ex. Already hot the hood. So I'm burning up this planet next. Flee, term, and trust, serving ounces enough. We get it shaking in the club, even bouncers get cut. Y'all niggas kicking fairy tales, I'm living off canary cells. Very well, my music played a child time in every jail. Hot like a soup kitchen, rock like my tooth missing. You pick 'em, y'all call them ops, but they new victims. Loyalty to Team G, we royal and supreme. So play your fucking lane, don't get caught up in between. Straight pound the wood handle, straight clown, I should blend. I can make a call, Lord, and have the whole hood ring. T's got the hands praying, streets and the grams caking, band bacon, 37 yams while my man wet. Whip that shit up, Lord. I said we whipping up 37 yams while my man waiting, Lord. Vibing on some fine wine, my grind got me seeing green like a right line. Those gun flee, I just dumped 2 semis. You ain't high, you just fried cause your blunt's too skinny. While you perpetrate the fraud, dog, I circulate abroad. The white keep a litty, but the purple make her snore. She knew I came back with the Birkin off the tour, and I made my own wave, now they surfing off the Lord. Polying with moguls cause I'm bodying my vocals. Party down in Soho got me charging for my photos. Blowing on that angel hair, we could take it there. Say a prayer, even if y'all jump me, that won't make it fair. Neck full of foot, getting checks, fuck a jokes. I'ma leave my op stretched by my next fucking hook. I ain't paid yet, but the Lord's on my side. Fuck the whores and the pride I put on for my tribe. Never trying to bag, I'm a dawn on the rise. And we loyal to your death, cause the strongest survive. All my niggas getting money, what's up? You know it's loyalty to your death, only the strong gon' survive, motherfucker.